The welsteepse non-stick fry pan, 7-inch, is a helpful tool in any kitchen. It is black and a handy 7 inches wide. This pan can be your go-to for many cooking tasks. It might even become like your favorite pair of shoes because you use it so often. The welsteepse non-stick fry pan, 7-inch, makes cooking simpler. Foods like eggs glide easily across its surface. You won't have to worry about them sticking and making a mess. This means less time scrubbing after you cook. Plus, the small size heats up quickly. This is great when you need a fast meal. However, this pan does not come with a cover. Overall, the welsteepse non-stick fry pan, 7-inch, is a decent choice for small cooking jobs. It's especially good for 1 or 2 people. While it may not handle large meals or broiler temperatures, it shines for everyday use. If you are looking for a basic, non-stick pan for quick cooking, this could be a good deal for the time and effort it saves on sticking foods. Pros: simple cleanup, carbon steel, even heat, versatile cooking, oven-safe handle, durable build. Lightweight, comfortable handle. Cons: terrible quality, food has aftertaste, handle feels loose, feels lightweight, pan is very thin, coating peeled off, does not function, bottom warps. Features: non-stick 7-inch size, black color, stone pan, easy to clean, durable, versatile, good for frying, comfortable handle, even heat. This welsteepse fry pan is 7 inches in size and black. It has a non-stick surface, which means food should not stick to it. The pan is described as a stone pan, suggesting a durable build. It should be easy to clean after cooking. The pan is also said to be versatile, meaning you can use it for different kinds of cooking. And it is good for frying food. The handle is made to be comfortable to hold, and the pan heats evenly across the bottom. This welsteepse 7-inch non-stick pan is made of carbon steel and is supposed to heat evenly and be good for different ways of cooking. It has a handle that can go in the oven and is lightweight with a comfy handle, making cleanup easy. However, some people have found the quality to be bad, with food tasting strange, the handle feeling loose, the pan being very thin, the coating peeling off, and the bottom warping, so it doesn't work well.